The all-in-4 and all-in-6 are part of a broader type of treatments that we can develop. It's a part of the all-in-X concept. The name that I have chosen for it is a full digital smile design here at my office. The full digital smile design consists on 4 or 6 implants placed onto your top or bottom jaw to replace your lost teeth. This case is for patients that have lost most of their teeth or will lose most of their teeth or have dentures and would like to replace them with a fixed, non-removable restoration. How we do this is we're gonna set one appointment. The first appointment is gonna be a long appointment of about 4 days, where we're gonna divide the treatment into those days. First day, we'll take records of your mouth. We'll take digital impressions. We'll take pictures. We'll take facial scanning, where we're gonna measure what size of teeth and how big of a teeth will be the best option for you. At this appointment, we'll also be able to take the CT scan so we can start measuring how much more available you have. And from there, we'll go to decide if you need 4 or 6 implants. This is not gonna affect the final result for your restoration. Day number 2 will be the day of the surgery or the implant placement. At this appointment, we'll bring in an anesthesiologist for your comfort, which is gonna put you through sedation. Will you be totally awake where you can respond to my commands, but you won't remember what happened. The advantage of doing this with IV sedation is that you get better response to the healing since you didn't have any stress during the actual treatment. It also helps me work faster and you won't even remember the numbing or the anesthesia. At this day, we'll be placing all of the implants that are needed. On day number three, we'll be delivering the set of temporary teeth that you will leave. The goal for this design or for this method that we have developed is for you to come in and that same week leave with your new set of teeth. It's gonna be a temporary set of teeth, but it's definitely gonna be whatever we're looking forward for your new smile after we're done. On day number 4, we'll be evaluating the need of removing some sutures. You'll be able to let us know how you feel, if we need to correct any dosage on the prescription, and then you will be able to go home. After a period of 4 to 5 months, depending on how the surgery went, you'll need to come back so we can take final records. What we're gonna do on that second appointment is that we'll remove that temporary restoration that we have placed. We'll scan again with our digital scanner so we can send that new information to the lab and they can merge the set of teeth that they had already designed with your new healed tissue so we can start designing the final restoration for you. This restoration will be made out of 2 basic or 2 different materials. It will be a bar of titanium where it's gonna hold a bar or a set of PMMA restorations, or it will be a bar of titanium with a zirconia set of restorations. The answer to which one will be the one that you need will be decided between you and me. We will always plan the cases in order for you to be able to get either one, but I need to explain to you what are the pros and cons about each of the materials. Third appointment will also be 6 to 8 weeks after the second appointment. On that appointment, we will be delivering your final set of teeth. This will take about 2 days because we'll be delivering your set of teeth on one day, and if there's any makeup or touch-up that we need to do, that way we can go ahead and send it to the lab, and next day you'll be getting your teeth delivered in your mouth, and then you can go home and enjoy your new smile.